Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Now, you guys can see that I'm in a brand new kitchen. Looks a lot like my old kitchen, but for those of you who don't know me, I'm a real estate flipper, and in real life, what I do is I move into the homes that I'm renovating or that I've renovated and that are prepared for sale, and as they're being marketed, I live there, I do my thing, and that's how it goes. So the design of this kitchen is very similar to my other home because I did them around the same time and I went with more or less the same scheme. It looks a lot the same, but there's a few differences that I really like. First of all, I have a larger cooking area or prep area. I could seat 4 people here so I could have more guests over and entertain a little bit more. Also, I have a larger stove and I have even more cabinet space on the other side of that wall, so I'm able to store more gadgets. So I'll be able to do a few different things now that things have changed. Now, it's been about a year since I started the channel, and I really want to hear back from you guys as to what you would like to see me do on this channel. I noticed that a lot of the Haitian dishes get a lot of organic traffic, maybe because there's not that many good videos out there. So if there's some Haitian dishes that you want me to try or other Caribbean dishes, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for giving me the support. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscription button, like this video, and if you can, please share this video to your friends, anybody who's interested in cooking, because I want as many subscribers as I can, because that helps to bring a little more life to the channel. More comments, more engagement, more feedback, and this is why I'm doing this. I really want to share some recipes with you guys, and I want to know what the world wants back from me. Thank you. Take care.